Does your toilet handle seem a little more difficult to flush? If it is getting harder and harder to push down, or if it won't flush at all, don't worry. There are things that you can do to correct that sticking handle without needing major plumbing repair, although we're always here to help. Here are some DIY steps to diagnose the problem and correct it. First, lift the lid off the back of the toilet tank to inspect the following components of your tank. 1. Is the chain snagged? Check to see if the chain attached to the flapper in your tank is snagging against something. If the chain is stuck, your toilet handle will feel more difficult to push. 2. Is the chain the right length? When you flush your toilet, the flapper or seal should rise at about a 90-degree angle. If the chain is too long, the flapper will only lift a tiny bit or not at all. 3. Is the flapper worn out? When flappers are old, they can get stuck. Check to see if the flapper itself is hard to pull. If so, replacing your toilet flapper should take care of the problem. 4. Is the handle damaged? If everything in the tank seems to be working properly, check the handle itself. Is it cracked? And check the nuts inside the tank that hold the handle in place to ensure they are in place. If you run into any problems with your toilet in your home or office and you're located in the Knoxville, Maryville, Oak Ridge, or Lenoir City area, give us a call. We can help. Call 865-583-3957 or you can book online at pipewrench.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive other useful homeowner tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.